Hey everybody, Mike with El Yucateco here, and today we're going to be doing some chicken parmesan the El Yucateco way. If you're not following us here yet, consider doing so by hitting that button down there. As always, I'm going to have all the details and show notes for this recipe down in the description, as well as links to pick up some cool El Yucateco merch. Now without any further ado, let's get into today's recipe. So we kick off this recipe with 2 nice sized chicken breasts, and you're going to want to start by trimming off any hard fats and unwanted areas. Once you get it to how you like it, we're going to butterfly this chicken breast, and we are going to slice all the way through. This is going to give us 4 halves, which is going to give us more surface area, which means more flavor for the sear. Now season those lightly with salt and pepper on both sides. Set those aside. Next, it's time to prepare our marinara sauce. We're starting with about 28 ounces of plain tomato sauce in a pot. To that, we're going to add salt, pepper, garlic powder, oregano, basil, and some Parmesan cheese. And then we are going to kick this recipe into high gear by adding some El Yucateco Red. Give that a good mix and allow it to simmer for about 10 minutes. Then go ahead and set that aside. In a large pan on high heat, start with a thin layer of oil. You'll want to use an oil with a high smoke point here, something like avocado oil. This is going to give you a better sear. Sear both sides of the chicken breast well, then just place the cover on and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes. We just want to get this to about 160 degrees Fahrenheit in the deepest, coolest part of the center. We're going to top it with that marinara sauce we made, some fresh tomato slices, and beautiful sliced mozzarella. A couple leaves of basil, a nice sprinkle of some Parmesan cheese, and a little bit of parsley for some color and added flavor. Now just get that into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes to get everything melted down beautifully. Remove it from the oven, allow it to cool, and then it's going to be time to serve this up. I cannot wait for this. Cheers, everyone. That is absolutely awesome, and there are few words that I can use to describe this, so you're just going to have to give it a try at home and let me know what you think. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Take care. Till next time, I'll see you on the next video.